Hello, I am Krista Gray with the University of Illinois Extension in Fulton County, and I would like to welcome you today to our Healthy Sense lesson number 10, which is called Meal Planning to Make Life Simpler. We've selected a recipe from this series, and it's called Chicken Corn Chowder. And I'm going to walk you through how easy it is to prepare this. With a little planning, you can do this. So what we need are 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 pounds of chicken tenders or chicken breasts, like what I use, cut up into bite-sized chunks, 1 medium onion chopped up, 2 stalks of celery chopped, 2 large carrots peeled and chopped, 2 cups frozen corn, 2 cans of low sodium cream of potato soup, 1.5 cups chicken broth, 1/2 cup low fat or non-fat milk, and then a pinch of salt and pepper. So let's get started. All right, I have cooked my chicken ahead of time because this was actually chicken I had left over from another recipe I had made last night. So I've got some leftover chicken that I've got prepared. And then I went ahead and I had chopped up my onions and my peppers. I'm sorry, my onions and my celery. You could put peppers in it if you want. And I've sauteed them ahead of time. So those are ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my onions and celery to my crock pot. Next, I'm going to put in the chicken. Okay, and then next I'm going to add in the carrots that I've prepped. And then my 2 cups of frozen corn. And this is actually corn that I prepared out of my garden from earlier this summer. I usually freeze it every year. So I got some of that good sweet corn in there. And then I've got 2 cans of cream of potato soup. Add that in there. And then I have 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Now you see I have these in a liquid measuring cup. There is a difference between measurements between a liquid measuring cup and a dry measuring cup. These are for dry ingredients, and there is a difference in the measuring. So for a little science experiment at home sometime, you might want to try it. Pour a cup of water in a dry measuring cup, and then also pour a cup of water in the liquid measuring cup and see what the difference is. You'll be surprised. So I used my liquid measuring cups, and I'm going to pour my 1.5 cups broth in there. This is going to be a nice hearty meal to have later today. I'll stir this up and I'll cook it in my crock pot that I've got ready to go back here. I need to cook it on low for 5 hours or until the chicken is and the vegetables and everything's tender and looks nice and done. Then during the last 10 minutes is when we'll add our milk. So I'm not going to add the milk now. And then when you get ready to serve it, just salt and pepper it to your own taste. Or use another type of seasoning if you prefer. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe today. There's so many good recipes on our Eat, Move, Save website, and I'll provide that link at the end of class today when I send you the materials. There's a lot of good recipes in there, and this is one of them. So I'll show you a picture of what the finished product looks like. Thank you so much for joining me.